In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Connecting your ChatGPT with Google Drive can streamline your workflow and give you seamless access to your files as you work on various tasks. Alright, let's dive right in. The first step you need to take is to sign into your ChatGPT account on the web. So grab your device and open up your favorite web browser. Go to the ChatGPT website and enter your login credentials. Once you're signed in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already. Now once you're in, look for your profile icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to open the settings. It often looks like a gear icon, so it should be pretty easy to spot. In the settings menu, you'll see several options available. One of those options is labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the section where you can manage the applications linked to your ChatGPT account. Among the apps, you should find Google Drive listed there. Click on the Google Drive option and you'll proceed to the next step. You might be prompted to sign in to your Google account at this point. Enter your Google account credentials, and if everything is correct, you should see a screen that shows you the permissions that ChatGPT is requesting to access your Google Drive files. Take a moment to review these permissions. It's always good practice to know what access you're granting. Once you're comfortable and sure that you want to proceed, click the Continue button. This action will allow ChatGPT to access your Google Drive files, which is the main goal here. Once the connection is complete, the magic happens. ChatGPT will start syncing your drive. This means your files are now accessible directly within ChatGPT. With the connection established, return to the ChatGPT main interface, and you can start a new conversation. This is where the real fun begins. Whenever you want to reference a document or file from your Google Drive, you can simply ask ChatGPT about it. Whether you need it to summarize documents, answer specific questions, or even extract certain pieces of information, it's all at your fingertips. Think of how handy this feature will be when you have reports, papers, or any important documents that you frequently need to reference. Of course, if you ever decide that you want to disconnect Google Drive from your ChatGPT account, don't worry, you can easily do that too. Just go back to the settings again, open the Apps section, find Google Drive, and look for the option to disconnect the app. It's always nice to know that you're in control of your integrations. Should you change your mind later on and want to reconnect Google Drive, you can simply follow the same steps we just went through. It's that straightforward. Just remember though, as you're hopping through these options, that the Google Drive integration feature is available only on certain supported ChatGPT plans. So if you don't see the Google Drive option, it could be due to the type of account you have. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect ChatGPT to Google Drive, making your productivity soar. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more engaging tutorials. I hope you enjoyed this new functionality, and happy chatting with ChatGPT.